Edoc students. Of course, mabunganga kami.
We're EDOC students. Of course, bata kaming maghanap ng template sa Canva.
We're Edoc student. Of course, puro kami reporting. We're Edoc student. Of course, maluwag schedule ko.
Nagawa mo na ba template mo?
Aaron?
Oo.
We are EDOC students. Of course, best friend namin si Chandra, Shin Jane, Noam Chomsky, Pierre Skinner, Thorndike. Sino pa ba iba? Basta, marami kaming best friends.
We're Edoc student. Of course, hindi kami nagka-prop. Bea, may gawa ka na kayong talika? Wala sa ko naman. Ha? Grabe, papasa. Paano ba papasa? Bukas na yun na. Wala kang gawa.
We're EDOC students. Of course, hindi mainitin ang ulo namin. Ano ba, Hoy?
We're EDOC students. Of course, malapit kami sa mga bata.
We're Edoc students. Of course, hectic ang schedule namin.
We're Edoc students. Of course, palagi kami may dalang laptop. Kirsten! Kirsten!
We're Edoc students. Of course, lagi kami kumakausap sa hangin.
We're Edoc students.
Of course, required sa amin ang mahabang pasensya.
We're Edoc students. Of course, nagkarapatan din kami mag-emote. Tao din kami, duh.
We're Edoc students. Of course, lagi kaming tulog pag vacant.
We're Edoc students. Of course, hindi kami naloloko ng grade.
Wait, no. Totoo ba yun?